Yo, what's up, weirdos? What's going on, guys? Okay, so figured we'd do another Backyard Chronicles video. You guys seem to like those, so let's do it. Let's see what's going on. $110,000 Bitcoin right now. As you guys know, my stance has not changed. I do think we will come down to about 100. Well, if this weekly candle closes for Bitcoin above the 50-week moving average, then Bitcoin will, or the low will rise, if that makes sense. The low will rise on where I think we're going. Right now, I think we're going to hit about $102,800 to come down and touch that 50-week, right? We've talked about that a lot. However, if this weekly candle when this weekly candle closes tomorrow, it will move that moving average up a little bit higher, probably somewhere around 103,300 range. So then that will be where I expect next week Bitcoin will kind of come down and bottom out, bouncing off the 50 and moving aggressively to the upside for the following immediate future, weeks, few months, November, December, whatever, right? Now, in terms of timeline, that's kind of what I wanted to talk about today, right? And a lot of people are already in the chats as it's November 1st, and I can see everybody already, discussing when are we going up, when are we going up. Here's the thing for me, guys. At the end of the day, let's be real. Nobody truly knows when. All we can do is look at the charts, we can read them, we can look at the macro, we can read it, and we can make a best guess, right? That's all we can do. An educated guess, right? However, the situation on the macro changes on a daily basis. It's an ever evolving situation. That's not a cop out. That's just quite simply put the facts in the matter, right? Every day. That's why I say you have to be paying attention every day so that you can adjust your plan and your strategy accordingly. Not financial advice. I'm only here to entertain and educate you, right? But timelines. Everyone's talking about timelines already for this month. Is going to be Upvember, Moonvember, or is it going to be Recvember, or whatever the case might be, right? Well, what I would say, guys, is for me personally, what I'm doing is I'm not focused as much on when is this going to happen. I need this to happen. I want this to happen now. I'm not focused on the when as much as I am focused on just increasing my net value by dollar cost averaging into projects that I believe in. I'm going to continue to increase my net value. Um, and if Bitcoin and crypto, and I'm not saying I think it's going to, so don't read between the lines is what I'm saying, but if crypto takes another year to moon, guess what? Well, then by that time, I will have continued to increase my net value, right? Over the course of that year. So I'm just going to continue to plug away. I'm going to continue to increase my value, increase my bags, and I am appreciative of every day that I have the opportunity to continue to do that because I'll tell you right now, guys, I know it feels like when moon, when Lambo, blah, blah, blah. But I promise you this, when the time comes and things go, they do start mooning, whether you're buying the lows, your dollar cost averaging, or whatever it is that you're doing, or you're just sitting on your hands, you are inevitably going to feel like you wish you had more time to DCA when everything starts going crazy. You're gonna see it in the chats everywhere. People are gonna say, "Oh, I wish I'd had more time. I wish I'd bought more. I would." So this is your time for that kind of stuff, guys. Right? And I know it's hard when you're in it. It's hard in the moment, right? That's what she said. But you have to remember that it's not so much when as it is an inevitability. We will see things go higher. That's not even a question in my mind. The problem that a lot of people are facing right now is they force, they ask people like myself or Caesar or whomever else when we think things are going to go. We give an answer, and if it doesn't play out that way, then they get mad at us and they get impatient. And they say, "Well, you said this, yeah, but you kind of held me, you kind of forced my answer, right?" Like, and remember, no YouTuber out there, no person reading a chart, whether it's in crypto, stocks, or anything else, is a fortune teller. There is a certain sect of people out there that are looking for some content creator that's able to give them 100% certainty on when everything's going. It doesn't exist. It's not a thing, guys, right? So I save you some time. You can stop looking for it. It's not a thing. You're not going to find someone who can tell you that, right? Um, your your good people are accurate. Your good analysts are accurate to a degree, but everybody misses the mark, especially when you're asking them for their timeline on it. When moon. Stop asking. Focus on increasing your net worth instead of focusing on whether it's going to happen today, tomorrow, the next day, or whatever. Right? So, and then because you make yourself impatient, you do, and then you get upset and you get angry because you're building yourself up. And I saw someone over on the Patreon. I can't remember who it was, but they put a comment in there saying, that exact thing. Stop focusing on whether it's going to happen this month or not, because it's a new month, and just focus on building your bags. Focus on building your net worth. Don't focus on the timeline. Right? Stop doing that because you're making yourself anxious and impatient, and then it doesn't happen, and then you're disappointed and you're upset. Right? Just go with the flow, man. Just go with the flow. So for me, I'm going to continue to just DCA every day. I'm working on a DCA portfolio course right now. I release a video every single day. I think we're 15 days in now, so there's 15 videos in the course now, and just continuing every single day to do that. It's transparent, 100%. It's exactly what I'm buying, what I'm doing, what I'm moving around, what I'm taking profits in, and what I'm doing with that. But even on the red days, it's in the green because DCAing is not just buy 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 buy. It's strategically doing it, right? So if you want to learn how to do that, definitely watch that course. Right, every day a new video is added. You can join over there for that, guys. But I'm going to continue to do that until market starts to full send. But I was watching a chart there by Colin Talks Crypto the other day, and he was talking about, or this morning actually, and he was talking about his timeline. He thinks somewhere around mid-November to beginning of December we should start to send. And again, it's all just educated guess. It's all just thesis, right? There's no certainties. So you got to remember that. Got to remember that, guys. But again, join the VIP community. Link will be down below for that. You get all of our courses for free as a member. Access to all of our chats. You get you can book one-on-one coaching calls with me, or you can join our group coaching calls. All of our exclusive live streams and Patreon only content is over there as well. You can check out our free newsletter and the link down below as well for that. We filmed the latest episode of Blockchain Buzz earlier today, so check that out as well, guys. Very, very good one featuring Caesar and Crypto Archie, so check that out. But yeah, anyway, guys, click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.